To use the service directory, simply select a canal and select a service. The canal and service selection is done using the two lists on the left-hand side. We're currently looking at public houses on the Erewash Canal. The central part of the screen presents an alphabetical list, and the right-hand portion shows where they are using Google Maps. The service box shows that there are 4 services available: boat builders, boat yard, public houses and restaurants. Clicking on restaurants refreshes the alphabetical list and refreshes the Google map and shows where each of the restaurants are. Clicking on Trent Lock on the list on the left hand side shows us where the restaurant's located on the Google map on the right hand side. It also shows an information window, and although we're looking at restaurants, we can also see that Trent Lock is also a public house. To switch to the Grand Union Canal, we simply go to the Canals box, find Grand Union Canal, click, and now we're looking at all the restaurants on the Grand Union Canal. There are 2 distinct changes to the information being shown. The services box on the left-hand side has now grown to show 33 different services, which reflects the 33 services there are available on the Grand Union Canal. The second change is there's a new box appeared in the top right-hand corner called Branches, and this shows that of all the restaurants, there's 33 on the main canal, there's 6 on the Leicester section, 1 on the Slough arm, 3 on Margaret Harbour arm, 1 on the Paddington arm and 1 on the Welford arm. So now let's look at the restaurants on the Leicester section by simply clicking here on the Leicester section. And we can see, instead of seeing the whole of the Grand Union Canal, we just see the Leicester section. And change services, and let's look at marinas. So here we are looking at the marinas on the Leicester section of the Grand Union Canal. Let's zoom in, look at a bit more detail, and if we want to, we can go to satellite view and zoom in even further and have a very close look at exactly where we might be going. If we click on the icon on the map, we can see details of the company and see that although we're looking at marinas, in fact this Wellfield Narrowboats Limited offer 4 services. They're a marina, diesel, petrol, and also have a food shop. The system is showing where the canal goes, and on the dark blue line, if we click on it, we can see this is the Leicester section. The length of it's 40 miles, 41 locks, maximum boat length 72 feet and beam 7 foot. But also there's a pale blue canal. And although we're looking at the Leicester section, we can still see the main canal. So if we click on it, we can see which part of the canal we're looking at, and again see the details of the canal, 147 locks, etc. So to conclude, to use the services directory, you simply choose a canal, choose a service, restaurants, and if there's more than one branch on the canal, you can select a specific branch and refine the search even further. And that's how to use the services directory.